What's up guys, it's your boy, Mad Mike. If you're new to the channel, I recently picked up a Ferrari Testarossa Koenig edition replica. It's a kit car that's based on a 1985 Pontiac Fiero GT. And today is going to be the first time that we try to get it to move under its own power in almost 10 years. So stay tuned and check it out. Oh, looky who just showed up. My good man. Are we ready to fire up this car or what, bud?
Yeah, man.
Been working on cars and building your business too much to have time for a haircut, eh?
Yeah.
So we got the car running. I fixed the clutch. Let's put the battery in and see if we can get it to move for the first time. It's that time, boys. Hooking up the battery. Hopefully we got enough juice to get it to fire up. Once we fire it up, we're gonna try to plop it into gear and see if we can get it to move for the first time in 5 to 20 years. Who knows how long it's been sitting. All right now.
How about that, bud? The moment of truth. Will she fire up? Let's see some smoke come out of these exhausts. How about it, bud? Here we go. What? Running. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna go into gear right now. The reverse lights work. Oh shit! Smells good. Yeah, the brakes are seized, eh?
Straight up, the wheels are just locking.
Yeah.
But it's finally outside. First time it's moved in 5 years. You want to throw on the front end and see what it looks like?
Go for it, man. Nothing like playing with cars in the mountains.
Check on the front end, see what it looks like.
Look at that.
Dude, I am so happy right now. Making huge progress. So for those of you that don't know, Al's got a finishing business and he's gonna be the one to lay some fresh red paint on this when it's all done. He's got a brand new spray booth installed. Man, that is bitchin' now. I am so happy right now, guys. Yes! It looks so badass from the front though. We gotta do something about these headlight buckets. Maybe doing the insides red and getting rid of this bottom section here so that's all body color. Redo the Lexan. Gonna get rid of the black and do all red. Fix all the bodywork down here. Fix all the gaps. Yeah. I got my gas cap. If you don't know where it is on a Ferrari Fiero, there you go. You can pull it up now.
Yeah, man.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Oh, fuck.
Functional.
Nothing like the smell of fresh gas, man.
I don't know about fresh. It's definitely old stale gas.
Yeah.
That's why it's running pretty rough too right now.
That way, actually.
Get that new lower valence, refiberglassed in. The quad exhaust doesn't look too bad with those tips on it though, eh?
It's even better with smoke coming out.
This is my favorite angle though, right here. Hey, is that a Ferrari?
More than you can afford, car.
Oh, I haven't even put a bolt on that steering wheel yet. It's still just pressure fit on there. See? There you go. That's a race car. This is how you get out of a race car. Removable steering wheel. Yeah, bud. So I went ahead, we got the deck lid back on just to kind of visually see how it's gonna look. We're gonna respray the whole car, finish all the body work. There's a bunch of, you know, defects like down in here, the paint's peeling, some body work needs to be done, but right about there.
Man, laughing, buddy.
I wanna compare it to the real one.
160.
160 inches.
Yeah, 30 for 6.
There you have it, guys. Anybody who's subscribing, you know what I've gone through to get it to this point. So yeah.
Keep on subscribing.
Keep on subscribing. All right, man. Well, I guess I'll go ahead and pull it back in for the night. I'm so friggin' happy right now. Yes. All right, guys, there you have it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you're enjoying these builds. Yes.